Drain the cassette toilet. Drain the cassette latest when the filling level LED is illuminated. The gate of the cassette toilet should always be closed and should only be opened when you want to use it. Open the service lid, unlock the cassette and pull it out. Now bring the cassette to a provided draining point. Turn the draining nozzles upwards and remove its lock. Then point the draining nozzle down and keep the ventilation button pressed to drain the tank. Subsequently, flush the cassette several times with water and add a sanitary additive. Push the cleaned cassette back into the compartment until the fixing clamp latches.